Ever wondered what it takes to start your own business? Today, you'll gain insights into the step-by-step process of turning your entrepreneurial dream into a reality. No matter if you're a seasoned professional or a budding entrepreneur, this guide will pave the way for your business journey. Step 1. Craft your business idea. It all starts with an idea. This idea should solve a problem or fulfill a need that customers have. It's not just about creating a product or service, it's about creating value. The key here is to identify your unique selling proposition. What makes your business stand out from the crowd? Step 2. Conduct market research. Before you dive in, it's critical to understand your market. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and preferences? Who are your competitors? And what are they offering? This will help you to define your target audience, gauge your competition, and refine your business idea. Step 3. Write a business plan. Your plan should include an executive summary, a company description, an outline of your products or services, a market analysis, a marketing and sales strategy, and financial projections. This document will serve as a roadmap for your business, guiding you through each stage of starting and managing your enterprise. Step 4. Secure funding. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to secure funding. This could be through personal savings, loans from family or friends, bank loans, or even crowdfunding. It's important to have a clear financial plan in place to ensure the sustainability of your business. Step 5. Choose your business structure. Will you operate as a sole proprietor, a partnership, a limited liability company, or a corporation? Your business structure will determine your legal responsibilities, such as the paperwork you need to fill out, the taxes you'll have to pay, and the personal liability you face. Step 6. Register your business. Once you've chosen a business name and structure, it's time to make it official. Register your business with the government to make it a distinct legal entity. Step 7. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you're starting and where you're located, you may need specific licenses or permits to operate. Ensure you're compliant with all local, state, and federal regulations. Step 8. Launch your business. Now it's time to bring your product or service to the market. Build a website, establish your brand, and start marketing and selling to your target audience. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, stay committed, and keep refining your strategy based on customer feedback and market trends. In summary, starting a business involves crafting a unique idea, conducting market research, writing a business plan, securing funding, choosing a business structure, registering your business, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, and finally, launching your business. Each step is crucial, and missing any one of them could potentially derail your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, success in business comes to those who are prepared, adaptable, and persistent. So, start with a clear vision, plan meticulously, execute diligently, and constantly strive for improvement. Your entrepreneurial journey starts now. Happy business building.